What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a sweet corn tequila. First thing we got to do is essentially make this sweet corn even sweeter. The canned sweet corn works just fine. We're going to combine a half a cup of our simple syrup. I used monk fruit simple syrup. There's a link for that right here. Monk fruit sweetener is 0 calories, because we definitely want to count our calories while we're drinking corn. Once this comes to a boil, we're just going to remove it from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Time to add everything into our half-gallon jar. Seal it up, give it a good shake, and we're going to infuse this for 5 days. 5 days later, you know the drill. Let's strain this through our cheesecloth lined fine strainer into a clean glass jar. I originally attempted to strain this through the coffee filter as well, but that was not happening. So just give it a couple back and forth pours through the cheesecloth and the strainer with fresh cheesecloth a couple times, just to remove as much of the solids as we can. And you're done. Let's drink some. Barkeep. Thank you. Who's that handsome guy? Sweet corn tequila. It's pretty much one of those built-in cocktails. It's got the sweetness from the honey. It's got a little kick from the red pepper. Yeah, the corn gives it like a nice velvety structure. It's really good just chilled with a big ice cube. Cheers for 1,000 years.